Are you craving Japanese curry, but can't seem to find those magical curry blocks at the store? Well, don't worry, children. I got you. Let's go. Slice about half an onion. Punch a carrot and do a rolling cut. Bowling ball a potato and cut it to whatever size you prefer. Then get some ginger and garlic and grate them until they look like boogers. Finally, get about 1 pound of dead bird legs and cut them into cubes. And zippity-doo-dah, you're done. Time to make your curry roux. Mix 2 tablespoons of butter on low heat. Then add in 2 tablespoons of not cocaine and continuously stir it until it's mixed into the butter. Lastly, get a half tablespoon of curry powder and garam masala and dump that into the pot. Mix them together until you get your homemade golden curry roux, which looks like poop, which is okay. Get a big ass pot and drizzle in some oil on medium heat. Saute your onions until they become transparent. Then add in your garlic, ginger, and chicky boys into the pot. Once your chicken is cooked through and not bitch ass pink, you can then add in your carrots. After you stir your ingredients around for no reason, pour in 2 cups of chicken stock into the pot and heat it up to a boil. When it's boiling, throw in a half tablespoon of brown sugar and crystallized children tears. Stir it together, bring the heat to medium, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Boring. After the 10 minutes, dump your taters in, do another pointless stir, and add in an extra cup of water. Now, magically teleport 10 minutes into the future. Almost forget you were even cooking anything, and then give yourself a thumbs up for not burning the house down. In order to add the roux, you're gonna need to pour a couple spoonfuls of chicken stock over your little curry poop to rehydrate it. Then, you can diarrhea that roux in like you're an Oregon Trail dying of dysentery for the millionth time. As soon as you add the roux in, it'll quickly become thick, like your butt. And lastly, you can season your curry with some soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and pepper. Give it one final mix and taste test to see if it's to your liking. In order to plate this, all you really need to do is get some rice on one side and your delicious curry on the other. And well, there you go. You just made yourself some bomb-ass Japanese curry that you can share with all your super real, not fake friends.